Hi, I'm Norma. Welcome to my channel. I'm a low carb coach and I help people who struggle with carbs and sugar go from feeling overweight and sluggish to feeling really good in their own skin so they can have a healthier lifestyle. I do that by sharing all of my low carb sugar-free recipes that helped me reverse the signs of prediabetes. And I did that in only 3 months. So if that's your thing and you want to reverse the signs of prediabetes, you need to make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I pull up a recipe. Now, even if that's not your thing, I think you need to stick around anyway because these recipes are pretty doggone tasty. I raised all my family on them and you don't feel neglected or anything. They're pretty easy and they're tasty. So I think you're gonna wanna stick around anyway. Today, I'm gonna take you in my kitchen and we are gonna make some faux French fries. That's right, they're gonna be faux because they can't be potatoes. Potatoes are high in carbs and will spike that blood sugar. So we are gonna modify and we are gonna be using a yellow squash. This yellow squash is going to be julienned into thin strips. We're going to salt it. We're gonna put our seasoning on it. We're gonna stick it in the air fryer and it's gonna turn into this salty little curly modification of a curly fry and it's pretty tasty. It actually surprised me. So let's come along in my kitchen and let's go get started today.
So we're going to start with these zucchinis. You can use yellow squash, you can use the green squash, whichever you have on hand. I don't think it really makes any difference. And then you're going to trim the edges. And then I'm using this julienne peeler. I have it linked in my Amazon shop, but there's lots of different gadgets out there right now for you to julienne your vegetables. Whatever you have at home or whatever you can find will work. You can even probably do it with a knife and just get them all uniformly sliced in the same thickness. You just want to make sure that they're the same size. That's really important. This particular julienne strip, it just takes a little bit of time, but you just need to be persistent. And I went through, I think we ended up doing just 2 zucchini because I have a really small air fryer. It's not going to hold a whole lot. But look at that. It comes together in no time at all. And then you pull out your air fry basket. You toss them in there. You spray a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil on them. And then choose your favorite seasoning. I went ahead and used just some salt and some chili. I used a chili lime seasoning. Or you can use tahini, kind of the same seasoning, whatever you prefer. And we're going to toss it in a 400-degree air fry basket for 8 to 10 minutes. And look at that. It comes out salty, crispy. I mean, I was surprised. I was very surprised. It was really tasty. I think you need to give it a shot and see what this low-carb faux potato is.